Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Zaraz car. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Kia Carnival Gsl 3.0, a minivan that aims to redefine family transportation. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, minivans aren't cool, but trust me, this Carnival is anything but your average soccer mom's mobile. It's stylish, spacious, and packed with features that make road trips with the whole crew a breeze. So, buckle up, and let's see what makes the Kia Carnival Gsl 3.0 so special. Exterior design. First things first, let's talk about the looks. This Carnival isn't your boxy grandpa's minivan. It's got a sleek, modern design with sharp lines, a bold front grille, and those cool boomerang-shaped taillights. I especially love the two-tone paint options, which give it a real premium feel. And hey, let's not forget about the size. This thing is huge. You've got ample space for up to 8 passengers, depending on the configuration, and enough cargo room to swallow all your luggage and then some. Perfect for those weekend getaways with the family and all their gear. Interior features. But the real magic happens inside. The Carnival's interior is like a plush living room on wheels. The seats are softer and supportive, with plenty of legroom and headroom even in the third row. There's even a second row captain's chair option for VIP treatment. And then there are the tech goodies. We're talking a panoramic sunroof, a Harman Kardon sound system, a massive touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even built-in navigation. Seriously, you could spend all day exploring all the bells and whistles this minivan has to offer. But it's not just about entertainment. The Carnival also takes safety seriously. It comes loaded with driver assistance features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and even forward collision avoidance, so you can rest assured knowing your precious cargo is well protected. Now, let's talk about how this beast drives. The 3.0 liters V6 engine packs a punch, giving you plenty of power to get up and go, even when fully loaded. And the 8-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly and keeps the ride comfortable. Sure, it's not a sports car, but for a minivan, the handling is surprisingly good. It corners confidently and feels stable even on the highway. Plus, the suspension does a great job of soaking up bumps and keeping the ride smooth, even on rough roads. So, would I recommend the Kia Carnival Gsl 3.0? Absolutely. It's a stylish, spacious, and feature-packed minivan that's perfect for families on the go. It's comfortable, safe, and even fun to drive. If you're looking for a minivan that doesn't sacrifice style or performance for practicality, the Kia Carnival Gsl 3.0 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews and adventures. And let me know in the comments below what you think of the Kia Carnival Gsl 3.0. Would you consider it for your next family vehicle?